trick, and let's see what we have here for video reviews. Okay, this is a set of battery wall scones. I have a very good idea where to put them. Wireless battery operator, 15,000 mAh battery capacity, and remote control. Premium wall scones by Ouyulong. 30 to 85 hours of running time. That's amazing. 4 modes, a timer, remote. Let's do the full unboxing and start working on installation. Let's see what we got here. These are the actual lamps, I think. It's the base that goes on the wall. Pretty good packaging, they do. All the hardware to put them together, so let's do that. So let's read the instructions for a little bit. To attach that to the base, that goes into the wall. You put the base in the wall, this one. And this goes on top of it. And these are the actual light bulbs, so let's see. These are the batteries, so we charge them here. Oh, this goes here. There it is, there's one. Oh, no, they are charged. The original design of these lamps is for them to go on a wall, attached to the wall like that, but we came up with an idea to turn them on a table lamp. So this way you still have all the functionality. Here's the remote. You can change all the colors you want and everything. You can make them any color you want. And by having them like this with this short stand, which looks like a mid-century design, you can have them anywhere in the house or anywhere you want. So I think I'm gonna convert them from wall lamps to table lamps. What do you think? So the simple process from converting this from a wall lamp to a table lamp is just to remove this bracket, take the base out, unscrew the base here. This part comes in, and it's kind of short thread, but it's doable, 100%. There it is. We tied it up with this tool that comes in the box. There it is. We don't need this bracket for this kind of use. I'm gonna save it if in case I decide to put it on the wall at some point. I'm gonna put all this away. There you go. We're gonna reinstall the lamp itself, which again goes in here with the magnetic base. There it is. With the remote control, actually you can manage both at the same time, which is pretty cool. You have all kinds of options. You have a timer, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 2 hours. I actually like the smooth and a white light. What do you think? I think this is a go for this setup. I have 2 beautiful table lamps now. Thumbs up. So here's the setup. What do you think? I believe this setup as a table lamp looks much better than a scone on the wall. I think they're gonna stay like that. I like this setup much better